So I'm definitely looking forward to the British Education Awards. I've been nominated in the degree category, so I've got through from the final 3 in Wales. So I'm going to Manchester now on the 31st of January to the award ceremony in the Hilton. I recently graduated last December with a degree with a first class honours. I'm still celebrating, thoroughly enjoyed the course, although it was hard work, gained a lot of knowledge which I've been able to transfer now into my teaching role and working with early years as well. So I was a registered childminder for 13 years and whilst doing the degree also. Doing the degree gave me the confidence then to apply for a full-time position in Gower College Swansea, where I was teaching part-time but never really took the leap to go full-time. The position came up, and after all the knowledge I gained on the degree has been fantastic now. I was successful in getting the job, started in September last year, thoroughly enjoying it. All the knowledge I can transfer now really to the students in the college, so it's lovely. I never thought I'd complete a degree. It was always an ultimate goal, but having 2 children, but I managed to juggle it all. I would tell anybody to do it. We did the flexible route, which was worked perfectly around my own family. And the avenues that it's opened up since last September has been crazy. Hence I'm here this evening, so it's great. It's really good.
Well, Karen joined us on the 2-year Fast Track Flexi course, and she at the time was working as a childminder and with Pacey. And from the first time we met Karen, I knew she was going to be a really special student, and she's really been a wonderful part of the cohort. The students on that course come in the evening after work, and she was always dedicated, always hardworking, really always keeping the rest of the group enjoying the conversation and discussion, and always with humour and a lot of knowledge about early years and the subject. So she was an obvious choice, but also balancing all that with her own hectic schedule with family life and work life as well.